guys. Happy Monday. Good evening, guys. I will just show you the Boss VP 26X. Guys, the best ito guys. Boss. Ito na siya guys. Yun. Guys, tingnan nyo. Look at that. Parang dragon siya pero lupit. Ang ganda. Parang 2 to 6. 2 to 6 din. Yan. Okay na. Ito tighten this but it's okay. What is this? Threaded barrel guys. Threaded outer barrel. So you can put the tracer, silencer or whatever. So it's like a P2 to 6 some 6 hour. The best. Boss. Ayos bang klang? Klang! Yes, guys. Yung. Wow. So handsome. Look. Try natin. At test namin siya. We'll try. Yun. That's it. Guys, this is a double stroke, guys. This is a double stroke. So even if you don't cock it, you can straight boom, boom like that. Or we can there, boom. So this is double stroke. To revolver, you know. Kahit na walang, you don't cock it, you can fire it. You know, like this. I show you. Look. Wait. Stop music, please. Look. Yun. No more cocking. Shit, what the heck? Best. Lupit ito. Hindi ba tanggal itong katawan ito? Ay, shit eh. And the best ang recoil, no? Yun. So you can shoot straight without cocking. You no need to cock like that. Or you can shoot. One more. Just one more. We'll see. Sarap eh. Cross arms. Uy, shit. Major mark. Yes. But this time, i-cock natin. Okay? Para kunwari, totoo ba? Yun! Medyo Rinaldo Samson, Colby, please. My friend. Kawa. Santa, the best. Guys, outdoorzone.ie. Open the website. Did you hear that, guys? What the heck? The best. Kung sa recoil lang, guys. Parang totoo talaga na baril na pistol to. Yun, no? So, guys, Vosk VP 26X of outdoorzone.ie. Yun, no? The best. Hindi ko itong lagyan na. Ay, deadly. Look. Tingnan nyo naman, guys. Look. There. Wala, ayan, no? Major, Samson, Ronaldo Samson. Saan ka na? Wala, kulang tayo sa light so hindi makita ng mga viewers natin yung ano. Please. Ginaganyan ko pa para makita yung mga review natin na piston. Dapat may light dito, di ba? Sabi mo. Talaga si Major. Ipaalam kita kay tita. Tawagan si tita, okay? Para makapunta ka dito. Major Rinaldo Samson. You know. Yun. Ay, the best. Guys. See you. Good night.